Guys, so another way to optimize your Google My Business profile is to go in here and see where it says questions and answers. You or somebody you know or another account can go in here and ask a bunch of questions. And the way to find out what questions people are actually asking is just go into Google and type in a question about the services that you offer. So if we're offering house cleaning, I could go in here and say, best house cleaners in Rochester, New York. So down here, Google's going to tell you people also ask for this. If you just do a quick expansion and then close it, it's going to give you another list of questions. So you can do this until you get enough questions that you want to ask. So like here's one, what should a cleaner do in 2 hours? What can a cleaner do in 3 hours? Do cleaners tidy up? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ask this question in my Google My Business profile, and then I'm going to answer it. So you see that Care.com did that, right? And this is giving them free advertising. Let's see if you did, how much does it cost? So this one is by this company on a blog, how to find the best cleaners. So you can answer it. This is on LinkedIn. And then let's see what this one, again, Care.com. So how much does the average cost for Rochester, New York? So let me jump over to my Google My profile. I'm going to go back into, I'm going to actually go into my Buffalo location. And the question that I'm going to ask is, let's see, this is actually Florida. So we'll go into the Florida location, and then you can see there's no questions in here. So to start getting this optimized, you can say, what are the standard cleaning services offered by house cleaners? So you can see that it's already starting to populate some of the information that it has about my company. So I'm going to post this question, and then if I want to, I can actually go in here and answer the question. So let's do another one. Let's go back and see what questions were asked. Actually, let me just jump over here and go ask another question. So how much does it cost to clean a house in, we'll say Buffalo, New York? So let's go down here. We're going to do Tampa. Sorry, not Buffalo. So ask a question. How much does it cost to clean a house in Tampa, Florida? Right? So we can say, is this helpful? Sure. Get the best residential cleaning service. It's not really answering the question, but we can start to say that some of these things are really helpful for this question. And then we're going to post this. And then you can go over and actually answer the question.